Worried about blackheads, whiteheads, and open pores? Here are some home remedies to solve these problems. Baking soda. Make a paste by mixing baking soda with water and apply it to the affected areas. Gently massage in circular motions and rinse off with lukewarm water. Honey and cinnamon. Mix equal parts of honey and cinnamon to form a paste. Apply it to the affected areas and leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. Lemon juice. Apply fresh lemon juice to the affected areas using a cotton ball. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing off. Steam facial. Boil water and pour it into a bowl. Place your face over the bowl, covering your head with a towel to trap the steam. Steam your face for about 10 to 15 minutes to open up the pores. Sugar and cucumber. Take 1 slice of cucumber and 1 tablespoon sugar. Evenly spread sugar on cucumber slice. Steam your affected area with lukewarm water towel. Take the sugar-coated slice and massage on affected area, then wash with cold water. Gram flour and turmeric mask. Take gram flour and a pinch of turmeric and add some water in it. Make a paste as a mask and apply this gently on your face. This mask works as face wash. Use this daily. It helps in remove the blackheads, whiteheads, and also solves the problem of open pores.